Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the latest Whatsminer M60 model. According to the manufacturer, it boasts an impressive 176 terahash with a power consumption of 3,345 watts. We'll be unboxing, testing all its features, and of course, crunching the numbers to calculate its current profitability. Stay with us for an in-depth look. Alright folks, here's the scoop. No groundbreaking design changes or features to report. It's the same old familiar setup: 3 hash boards, 2 fans, a power supply unit, and a control board. We've got the Asic plugged in, and we're firing it up to validate those claimed specs. Let's dive into its performance. Alright, let's break it down. We fired up our Asic, and it's humming away. First things first, let's jump into the Overview tab and identify its specifics. M60 VK20 with an H616 control board and a P221B power supply. Check the miner status. The Asic has smoothly transitioned into working mode, and the auto-tuning is all squared away. Quick reminder, each board should display a series of zeros and ones. Now for the stats. 143.3 terahash with a firmware-driven power draw of 2,584 watts, operating in low mode. Keep in mind we're keeping an eye on the socket power, and if you see it on the screen as 674 watts on the watt meter. Next up, we're shifting our Asic into the next gear. Once again, we play the waiting game until the tuning wraps up, and then we'll scrutinize its parameters. Stay tuned. Alright, time to switch to normal mode. Our Asic has hit its peak performance, clocking in at 179.8 terahash with a socket power draw of 3,660 watts. Slightly less according to the firmware. Now let's switch the Asic to the next mode. We're entering high mode, so let's save that setting. Just a heads up, to run the Asic in this mode, your socket voltage should be at least 230 volts, or else it won't operate. Alright, on to the last mode, high mode. In this configuration, we're hitting 187 terahash with a power draw from the socket at 3,913 watts, and the firmware is showing a bit less once again. Now we've got all the information we need for calculating profitability. To do this, navigate to BiXBiT.io, go to the Calculator tab, and on the left, input the gathered data. Let's run through an example using the low mode. The others are similar. For our device, boasting a 143.3 terahash with a power consumption of 2,674 watts. Let's assume the electricity cost is 4 cents per kilowatt hour. So for this specific configuration, we're looking at almost $13 per day. If your electricity cost is different, feel free to access the calculator, enter your current data, and get a customized estimate. We'll carry out the remaining calculations and present everything neatly in a table, which you can see on your screen. Hey folks, that wraps it up for today. In our upcoming video, we'll delve into how this device performs with our firmware. So make sure to subscribe, drop a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. Catch you later, and see you in the next one.
Thank you.